Continuing with our hammer-on pull-offs. So, same notes as last week. It's just picking less. So, the pattern is, so you got you're picking one note, and you got your hammer-on, pull-off, pull-off. So, pick, hammer, hammer, pull, pull. And you do every group of notes twice. And the goal with this, try and keep it as smooth as you can. So you got groups of 5 notes, so you're picking the first of every 5 notes. So right now, once you get comfortable with doing the hammer-ons to the pull-offs, start thinking about smoothing it out, so this way each note lasts the same length of time. So let's say just for the sake of argument, let's say each note lasts 1 second. So that's the goal. It's like make each note last 1 second. I'm not saying you have to do that, but just so you get the idea. So this note, that second, 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 and so on. So anyway, here's the whole thing. Alright, and doing our rhythm. So I think this will mostly just definitely be review, since you actually went through these pretty quick, which is actually quite impressive. So I'll just count them off and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 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 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 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 3, 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 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 4. So the next one, a bit fancier. So it's really just climbing up the notes in key that are on the E string. So it's something to keep in mind to make it easier. You got your open E twice on the 1 and 2 count every single time. And then you got the F note hit twice, G note is hit twice, the A note is hit twice, and then at the 4th bar you have B once, C once. So you can think of it like this. So if you find yourself having a little trouble getting this one down, if you memorize that part, so just got F, F, G, G, A, B, C. Those are the notes you're going to be hitting on your upbeats. So here's the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 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 1, 2, and. For some reason, I'm getting all kinds of pop sounds coming through my amp. Oh well. Alright, well, that's that. Let me know if you got any questions, and we'll see you on Friday.